Using funds in EveryDollar involves managing and allocating your money according to your budget categories. Here's how to effectively use funds within the app. Set up categories. Start by creating a monthly budget with specific categories such as rent, utilities, groceries, and savings. EveryDollar uses a zero-based budgeting system, so you allocate every dollar of your income to one of these categories. Track your income. Enter your total income for the month. This could include your salary, side gigs, or any other sources of income. EveryDollar helps you create a realistic budget based on your income. Assign funds to categories. Distribute your funds across the categories you created. For example, allocate $1,000 to rent, $200 for groceries, and $100 for savings. Be mindful of your priorities and ensure you cover essentials first. Track expenses. As you spend, enter each transaction into EveryDollar. You can do this manually or with EveryDollar Plus. Link your bank accounts for automatic syncing. When you make a purchase, assign it to the appropriate category to ensure you stay on track. Adjust as needed. If you find you're overspending in one category, move funds from another category to balance things out. EveryDollar allows you to easily adjust your budget throughout the month.